What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we have the second update video on the Revell 85 Oldsmobile, and everything's in paint and assembled. And let's go ahead and show you what we got so far before this thing is pretty much patched up. So before we get to the body, let's go ahead and move on to the interior first, and then move on to the chassis. More light. There we go. So we got the interior all patched up and it looks fantastic, and it looks very good. I love how it turned out. So we did it all in gray, and it's actually a two-tone gray, which you can't really see. Well, actually you can barely see. I don't know what the heck it is, but the dashboard and door panels and the floor's flocked, but that doesn't matter. And it's in the console. Dashboard's in the console, and door panels is like a darker gray, or no, a lighter gray. And then the seats, the front seats and the back seat are like a lighter or a darker gray. I meant. So, darker gray on the dashboard, door panels inside the console, and a lighter gray, darker gray on the seats. So, but you can't really tell the difference, can you? You really gotta squint at it. So, but yeah, there is a little bit of difference. So, but it looks fantastic. We did gray flocking, and it looks fantastic. Add some seatbelts back there. On the wheel card, there's no seatbelts in the back then, so I didn't bother doing those back there. But the whole thing looks fantastic. There's a decal that actually goes inside the dashboard, and then this little piece right here locks in. So that's actually pretty cool how that works out. You get the radio in there; it's all blacked out and all that stuff. So very simplified interior, but yeah, it looks fantastic. Now on the box art it says it's all black, do all black, but on the real car it's actually gray. So that's what I did, because you know it'd be a little bit too black, because this whole car is all black. The engine bay, the whole engine alone is black. So the interior is black, and then that's just one boring heck of a car. So it's cool. The interior is a grayish color, so that looks fantastic. And I do have a tutorial video on how I do my flocking. I do get questions of me doing carpet on my interior, so I did make a decent how-to video. I just got edited still, so that might come out tomorrow or next week. I'm not sure, because I have two how-to videos coming out, or yeah, eventually coming out. The chassis looks fantastic. We got the engine, we got wired. It's like brownish wires, so I didn't want to blend in with the black wires, so I had to take a brown wires. And the engine bay is fantastic, very nicely detailed. I love how that looks. And chassis is no other, very detailed. Semi-gloss black, or a semi-matte finish on the chassis, and then more like a semi-finish on the suspension, the axle and stuff. So it looks fantastic. The exhaust is aluminum outclad, and it looks fantastic. I really love how this looks. Very simplified, but it, you know, really looks good. Got the sway bars on there. That looks really cool. So chassis, again, simplified, but it looks very good. I love how it looks. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and move on to the body. The body needed a lot of work. Black paint jobs. Just as you don't know, black paint jobs are one of the hardest paint jobs to do, because it's just the color, and the clear coat just hates it. It's just so much orange peel. So there's a lot of orange peel on the body, but we got it all sanded out and buffed, and it looks fantastic. So nice finish to it, and I'm really happy with the finish. I wet sanded the heck out of this thing without, you know, going through the clear coat obviously, and you know, polished the living heck out of it. And I did make a very good, decent how-to video on how to polish my bodies. So that's the other how-to videos will come out. I might do the flocking one first, because I'm really tired this week. So I might just go ahead and edit the interior one first. That'll come out this Friday, or tomorrow I should say, and then the polishing one will come out next week sometime. So look for these how-to videos. But the body looks fantastic. Emblems on there look really good. So really love how the yellow lines at the bottom. It just looks fantastic. I love how that looks. Looks very good. We did do the headliner in that gray, the interior gray. I masked off the windows and just airbrushed the gray on there. So that looks fantastic. I love how the body looks. The engine bay, I kept it in the I got a semi-gloss finish. I didn't want it, shiny finish like this. So, but other than that, the whole thing looks fantastic. I really do love how the clear coat turned out. I mean, the clear coat, like I said, there's more orange peel in it, so we got how the polish turned out. That looks fantastic. Other than that, that's pretty much about it. The wheels didn't touch. The filter is like a chromish kind of finish on a real car, so didn't chrome, and then this part's gonna be black. So I do that black and stuff, but other than that, looks very good. The wheels, I said I do the inner wheels right there black, so I still gotta do those yet, but very slowly but surely we're coming along on this build. We also did tint the windows. We tinted the living heck out of these things because they're on a real car. They are pitch black and they don't look tinted as dark on here, but trust me, once they go in the body, they're gonna look pretty darn dark. So it might not look dark from here, but like I said, once it goes in the body, it's gonna change. It's gonna be a lot darker, and you see right there. But other than that, that'll be it for this video. And like I said, stay tuned for my how-to videos on the flocking, how to do that, and the polishing video will be out next week. So stay tuned for those videos. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Got loads of new videos coming out every week, so definitely turn on your notification bells and you'll get notified when I upload a new video, especially for the final on this thing. This video's gonna look fantastic when it's done. Cannot wait to see how that looks. But other than that, guys, until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.